Alrighty guys, so hey guys, this is KMCers. I'm Kiersten and welcome back to another vlog. So today is currently Monday. I did spend the morning editing the vlog that goes up on Wednesday, so that is linked down below as always. But today was the first day that Moon Pie decided to be a little bit of a butthead and get himself into some trouble. So last week he got neutered, and because of that, he is on restrictive activity for the next 5 days. And today is day 3 of those 5 days. And this is the first day he's actually been like super wanting to play. He started to try to eat Panda's feet in the house. And Panda just wanted to go to the bathroom. So we went outside to go to the bathroom. And instead he wanted to run around and not listen. Eventually got to my deck, and I thought we would just go back in the house and everything would be normal, but instead the dog decided that instead of going into the house, I'm gonna book it for the front yard, which is where my road is. And I yelled at him this whole entire time. Keep in mind, I am yelling at him. My voice is echoing through the area. I'm trying to be stern with him. He's not listening. His big ears are just not working today. Took me seriously and came in the house. And after that, I put him in timeout because I was so annoyed. I was like, you're not listening. You're not allowed to play. You're playing. You're running. You're just not listening. So he went into his kennel for the first time in a really long time that he's ever had to be in timeout per se. And this time he had to put the cone of shame on because he's not allowed to be in the kennel without the cone of shame. So after that, he's been a little bit better, but today he still seems to be really wanting to run and mess around. So he's been getting himself into a lot of trouble. Right now, he's currently chewing on a bully stick because, I kid you not, is the only thing I can think of to still occupy his little puppy brain and get him to not run around.
So we just got home and showered, and I just fed my starters right there. I have 2 of them because I'm trying to do different things with them, but that's currently what's going on. We took traps to the farm and then we fished a little bit. I caught 4 fish. They're trouts, and yeah. So the reason I have not showed you any of my bread is because, so this is supposed to be bulk fermenting right now, because my stuff never rises. It never bulk ferments. It never gets to the point of bulk fermenting, ever. I could leave this sit for ever and it would still not bulk ferment. So I don't know what I do wrong. I do everything that it says. I do measurements. I made 5 different loaves. I've done everything they say by the book, and they never bulk ferment. This is the same size as it was when I did my last stretch and folds. So yeah. That's why you never see bread from me, because it never bulk ferments, so then my bread never turns out. So yeah, I think I'm gonna order a dehydrated starter that's already done and go from there and try it that way, because I think that the ones I'm doing from scratch are obviously not strong enough to make a bread. So yeah, that's the next step.
Hi, Buggas. Come here. Stretch. Come on. Ow! Ah, damn. Come on. Come on. Are you okay, buddy? Okay, guys. Do we recognize where I'm at? How about now?
Hello. Probably can't hear me.
Hello. Okay, well, we're at Kenna's house, and Kenna's trying to make a sourdough.
I'm feeding my starter right now. I'm just feeding my starter. I made a sourdough. We haven't cut into it yet. So we don't know what that is going to be like.
Okay, well, we're doing something. We've just been hanging out. We've been eating food and just got back. And we're gonna, I don't know, we're gonna do whatever we feel like.
I mean, it
sounds
good.
pretty good.
Yeah, I think so. And then you're supposed to be able to knock on it. I don't know. My bottom's not super hard and crusty because I put rice on the bottom. Because I don't want it to be crusty. Okay. Getting it started. Go ahead, fling it over. I don't know. Part of me feels like it doesn't feel done.
Oh no. Moment of truth.
This is like my 6th loaf.
Ah,
It's still not done.
No, not on that one side.
It always
So
looks
close.
Unless it looks done, unless I just don't know what what sourdough is supposed to look like. But to me, it's not supposed to look like that.
I don't know.
I mean, it comes
It
back.
bounces back. No. My concern is just more like right over here.
Yeah.
Like that's where it looks gummy. But I don't know if that's just bread.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know if that's just what sourdough is supposed to be like. Because all of my loaves have looked like this. Every single one. And it's like, I'm like, is it done or do I just not know what I'm looking at?
Maybe we don't know what we're looking at. I don't know. Look up what a bread is supposed to look like.
I mean, I've looked at them and they all look like fluffy white bread, kind of. It's just gummy.
I don't know what sourdough is supposed to be.
I mean, it don't taste bad. It just, the consistency to me is not bread.
No. It doesn't taste bad, but
It's just gummy.
something, yeah. It's really wet.
Yeah, like I can like mold this into like a dough ball.
Yeah. But I think bread you can too, so. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys think this is cooked or not, because we really don't know.
It's like gummy. Like if I stick my finger in it, it'll stay there.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know.
But I mean, bread does that too, so I don't know.
But it just feels gummy. It doesn't feel
Yeah.
like light fluffy. It feels
No.
gummy. I don't know.
But it doesn't taste sour-y like some people.
I mean,
like,
it has a sour taste,
well, yeah,
but it's not because I didn't
like
cold proof
bad
it.
is what I'm saying.
I didn't cold proof it very long. You can control that, and I don't like that, so
Oh.
I tried not doing it. Like on my camera, it looks good. She's cute. Is she cute?
She's cute. But
Whatever.
yeah. Panda. It's snowing. You're so cute. Alrighty guys, so hey guys, today is currently Friday and I just got done with my diamond art. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Finished product. I did this cherry one. Do we like it? Alright, this is the one I'm gonna do. See my reflection, but it's like an Easter one. It's supposed to look like that. So that's what I'm going to do next. Is start working on some of my Easters.
Wait, I'm unboxing some stuff, apparently.
He's unboxing his mail.
Okay, my mail, which is my gloves that came in. Boxing my gloves.
Show the camera. You're like facing me.
Why can't I face my wife?
Because I already know.
You're drop dead gorgeous.
You're showing them. This is what it's like to film with Chris. Extra large.
Well, yeah, my hands are big. You see these paws?
Do you see these paws?
They're bigger than your face.
I know. Huge.
Sweet.
Mail.
Yep, he's gonna go through the mail, so. Awesome. Oh, you're cold.
They've been outside. And we just had a snowstorm. I haven't showed you guys.
Oh, yeah, that feels better. That is way better.
You like them?
Yes.
Paws.
My paws.
They look really big. Alright, so.
Imagine these coming at you.
Okay, are you done?
Maybe.
Okay, I got him a surprise. I kind of found it unexpectedly. So we're gonna give it to him.
Surprise.
We're gonna give it to him.
Oh boy.
The book is mine.
It's a coloring book.
Yeah, you can see the coloring book.
Oh, it's got Stitch.
Yes. It's one of these kind of coloring books. Anyways, that's...
It feels like a DVD.
I used the book to hide it, and then I forgot to not buy the book, so...
What?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
How in the world? She got me Has Been Hotel.
I saw it, and I knew... If you saw it, I knew you would know exactly what I was getting you. I had to keep that a secret.
Is this the first season?
Yeah. It was the only one there. Our free cookie.
Free cookie.
There's our wings. Oh, yeah. Mac and cheese. So good. And your potato wedges.
What?
And a cutie.
Hungry?
I'm out of breath. Okay, we're gonna give the dogs their little Valentine's Days since Moon Pie got fixed and wasn't allowed to play for a really long time. So we got their Valentine's Day gifts. We're gonna give them to them. Starting with Panda. Moon. Oh, Panda wants those.
Okay.
So Panda gets a heart. And you get the heart. And Panda, you get a bear. He really likes the heart. So excited. I don't know if this is gonna catch it, but yeah. Lay down. No. No. Sit. Lay down. Sit. Lay down. Nope. Sit. Lay down. No. Hey. Sit. Lay down. Nope, we gotta lay down. No, yeah, sit. Lay down. Lay down. Come on. Come on, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down.
So we are currently headed to go buy something from Marketplace for me, and I'm super excited, but stay tuned. Look at Toby. Toby. You have the weirdest face. Ow, you shocked me. In my nose, it hurt.
We are back with another Miniverse Make It Mini Animals Series 1. I have not opened any of these but one, so let's see what we got. Alrighty guys, that is going to conclude our week. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys did this week. Subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification so you're notified when we post every single Wednesday and occasionally on Fridays when we feel like it. This came to whatever. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.